In order to get into the United States, they had to do the boat ride across the
Oh, the Rio
anyway
Grande? What is it?
the
Rio Grande, is that right?
the Rio Grande, right? I can't remember all those details. Anyway, going across, they had a suitcase, one suitcase, in the rowboat with a number of people who were doing the same item. And when they got close to shore and you were able to run through the water, the Mexicans yelled federales, federales, American federals. And everybody had to jump out of the boat and run into the United States. So when they became citizens years later, their citizenship papers asked for the ship that they came over, and on both their papers it says Rowboat. So the picture I had in my mind is they came across the Atlantic on a rowboat. Then they told me the story.